Ahoy Rach, I'm Kathleen and I'm the chief stewardess on a yacht in Tahiti. I've been working and living on this yacht for the past 5 years and I'm going to show you my 5-star yacht stew tips that you can apply at home. As stewardesses, we are often detailing the yacht. What is yacht detailing? That's cleaning every single surface to keep the boat looking brand new. And when we do this, we use 3 main products throughout the detailing. Vinegar water is great because it kills bacteria and it's eco-friendly. You can make it easily with 2 parts vinegar and 1 part water. You can use it on almost every surface around your home except for stone. Do not use vinegar water on marble or granite. Anywhere where there's germs that you want to kill, you can use alcohol water with 2 parts alcohol and 1 part water. A soapy water is great for cleaning more sensitive materials such as marble and granite, but you can use it on various surfaces throughout your house with a tablespoon of a natural dish liquid, then diluting it with water. Clean! On board the yacht, we have 2 very important tools we use to clean small nooks and crannies. The first one is Q-tips, and the second one is toothpicks. After we wipe the ceiling, we go through it with a Q-tip. Q-tips are great for corners, small crevices, sensitive materials, and for applying small amounts of product onto a surface or a fabric. And if you need something a bit more abrasive than a Q-tip, that's where toothpicks come in. How to fold a towel so it's neat and tidy for the head. For the first step, you'll put the front side or the side of the logo facing down. Roll one side. If you have a logo, it will be that side, up a 1/2 inch. Next, you're gonna fold it into thirds. And the final step is to roll the side with the logo down, and then you're gonna tuck the other side inside the little hole underneath. And it makes a fun pocket towel fold just like this. Toilet paper fold. First you fold up to this side. You have a 1/2 of a square. Fold this corner up to meet this side. You'll have a triangle. Flip the triangle up. Flip this new fold up. Next, you bring the corners down and you fold it back down. I'm going to show you my favorite napkin fold, the rose napkin fold. First, you take your napkin and fold it in half, rolling from the longer end to the pointy end, a 1/2 inch, halfway down. Flip it over so that the folded part touches the table. And then we're going to roll it horizontally from one end to the next. And then you'll have this end that you're going to tuck into the last fold of the napkin. And the final step to open up the rose is to take these 2 bits, pull them to the side, and they form your leaves of the rose. A formal dinner table setting on a yacht. Knives go on the right, and spoons and forks go on the left. Last course will be on the inside, and your first course is on the outside. And dessert cutlery goes at the top. Bread plate goes on the left. Your bread knife at the top with a sharp edge facing left. Our water glass, white wine, red, and then your salt and peppers. Last but not least, napkin. Those are some of our tips from our home to yours. We hope to see you soon.